Hello and welcome to Education at SSBJ online video tutorials. We are with new chapter here, reaching the age of adolescence. What is adolescence? Every one of us has to go through this phase of life. We all were in the childhood. Soon after the birth, we entered the phase of childhood, then we started growing, and then one day we'll become old. And that is the truth of life. Growth begins from the day one after the birth. From a child till he becomes old. In between, we change the phase into most matured, called adult. Between the adult and the childhood, there is a phase where we feel very energetic, very strong, very aggressive, very muscular, and that is the phase what is called adolescence. Generally, upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is sudden spurt in growth and which becomes more noticeable. And what do you mean by growth? You will find broader shoulders. The shoulders will become more broad. Hands will be muscular. You will have a better chest, more strength, more aggression. And this is not only for the boys. It is also for the girls. The waist area of the girl will increase in its size. Growth will be a physical as well as psychological. At this stage of adolescence, boys and girls will reach a reproductive maturity. And what do you mean by reproductive maturity? At this stage, boys as well as girls will have ability to produce sperm as well as egg in case of girl, and that gives a fertilization into a single cell zygote, which you all have studied, which means at this age boys and girls will be able to become parent. They can produce their offsprings. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to a reproductive maturity is called adolescence. Look at this definition. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. And just now I have told what is reproductive maturity. Having able to produce children. And how do parents can produce children? If they can produce sperm as well as eggs. When there is a fusion of sperm and egg takes place, then the fertilization begins. And the ability of producing sperms as well as egg is during the adolescent stage. And that is what a kind of growth is. It's a physical growth. We shall see also a psychological growth. Our attitude, formation, change of thoughts will take place at this stage of life. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years. So keep a note of this. It starts from 11th and it will be till 18 to 19. Right? This stage is also called teenage stage. Boys and girls who are within this age are called teenagers. And all class 8 boys are teenagers. And that is why this is a chapter which is to make you aware of adolescence. In girls, adolescence begin sometimes little earlier, a year or two. There is no hard and fast rule that it should start exactly at 11 years of age. For some it may change. It depends on person to person. Some people enter into the adolescent stage early and some late. Let us talk about reproductive maturity. Well, as we know that reproductive maturity is the ability to produce children, and that is the phase of life what is called adolescence. During adolescence, boy and girl will reach a stage called puberty. Please remember this. Puberty is the time in life when a boy or girl becomes sexually mature. And what do you mean by sexually mature? They will be, as far as girl is concerned, girl will be able to produce egg and boy will be able to produce sperm. And that process usually happens between ages 10 and 14 for girls and 12 and 16 for boys. And that causes physical changes and affects boys and girls differently. Now, what are the changes at puberty? There will be increase in height. You will notice that children suddenly increase in their height somewhere in mid of 7th or beginning of 8th standard. Their change of height is noticeable. It is equally so with the girls. You can refer this age chart and estimate your height. If you refer this age chart, you will notice here that girls will be increasing their height more than the boys. At 9 years of age, the percentage increase of the height of a girl is 81%. Means girl will be completing 81% of her height, whereas a boy will be just at 75%. Now look at this. At 15 years of age, a girl has completed her 99% of height, whereas a boy has completed just 95% of height, whereas at 18 years of age, both boys and girls will reach 100% of height. This is not so perfect rule, but we can depend on this to calculate our age. And the formula to calculate our height is that present height divided by percentage. In case of boys, it is, for example, if he is of 8 years old, then you have to consider this as 72 here, and if it is in case of girls, 77 here, and into 100, but you have to take it in centimeter. That you can do at your level and find out that how much of percentage of height you have reached at your age, and so that you can estimate that how much you will be increasing in future also. Initially, girls grow faster than the boys, and both reach their maximum height at 18. This is about a particular change, that is change in height. The body shape also will change. During puberty, the body of the children undergoes several changes. The shoulders will grow broad. Muscles will grow. You may get six-pack at this age. For girls, a region below the waist will start widening. These all will happen till they reach their age till 18 or 19. The third change which is noticeable is change in voice. At puberty, the voice box or larynx, we have studied this in sound chapter, right? You may have noticed, either for you or among your friends, there is bulging of a portion near your throat. This is because during puberty, for boys, the voice box will grow more, and that is why, because of excess growth of voice box, you will find in most of the adolescent children there is a bulge near the throat. That is what is called Adam's apple. So boys grow larger voice box, and that appears bulging, and that is the reason the quality of voice changes. If you are a good singer somewhere in 6th class, you find it difficult to increase your pitch or sing as smooth as you were singing in 6th class during adolescence. Girls develop a small size voice box that cannot be seen from outside. Next change is development of sex organs, right? We all have studied in reproduction in animals that the girls will produce eggs at ovaries. Okay, there are two ovaries here, and the eggs will be produced either here or here, and testes will produce sperm. This is what we have studied in reproduction in animal chapter. So at this age, during adolescence, a boys will be capable of producing sperm, and the girls will be capable of producing egg in their ovaries. Other than that, there are many secondary sexual characteristics. Let me write here so that we will continue this portion in the next video tutorial. Secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, and these secondary sexual characters are refers to external features that distinguish male and female, like mustaches and hairs at different parts of the body. We shall go into details in these changes in the next video tutorial. Keep in touch. Thank you very much.